Today I have a very exciting topic, and it's how to learn intervals. Learning intervals can be very demanding, but it's a very useful skill. It took me some time to find the structure how to learn the intervals, but I got it, and in this video I will share it with you. To be able to learn intervals, firstly it's very important to learn how to sing the note back. I will show you on the guitar. Because the intervals is the distance between two notes, you need to be able to find the distance of the first note, the where is it lay how it sounds. It would look like this. I will play this tone, and you sing it back. Step number 2 is to find a song for each interval and then learn it. I'll give you an example. I have the list over here which I made, where you can learn why and how to learn intervals, and I have this list where I wrote favorite song for each ascending interval, because to learn intervals by heart or without structure it's very hard to imagine it. But we know a lot of songs which already contains the interval, and therefore it's great to make a list of your own, or you can choose the mine which I have here and learn how it sounds within the song. So here is the list, and don't learn it all by heart and try to find a way. Always choose one interval and spend a week on it. But how to learn it, how to spend a week on it, that would be step number 3. In step number 3, you learn the intervals. And how do you learn them? In my opinion, the best way is to choose some application. The application I used is the application daunting, which gives you structure, and you can start learning ascending, descending, and many other things related to music. The first thing I would recommend is to start learning ascending intervals, and it looks like this. You play this game. I have just created a new account, so these are the most basic exercises. And you start with learning an octave and perfect fifth, as you can see. What to do now? Now I would take the list of the songs and try to hear them, have them ready, and when you hear the interval, play those two songs and try to figure out what sounds more similar to this interval. In my opinion, this would be an octave, because it's the same interval but just octave higher. That's actually the same what we just heard. Octave again. Dun, dun. That's octave again. No, this was perfect fifths. Oh, so you made a mistake. What would you do now? You would play the song with perfect fifths and try to hear it there. What's this one? Dun, dun. Is it octave again? That's octave. That's correct. And you could go on and on. You can finish the exercise and you will learn more and more. And I think it's great to have an application. You don't have to pay for this exercise, but it gives you structure. It's examining you, and it's getting harder and harder. Therefore you keep progressing and you don't have to focus on creating the plan. It's very important to always have don't guess. Have the songs which you're learning with you, and when you're not sure, try to play them and try to really find the song. And I would recommend to focus just for a few, or just the one interval one day, try to hear the song and then go back. When you're able to hear the interval and you're also able to sing the bass note, The next step would be to learn to sing the interval. Why is it so important? If you're a singer and you are supposed to play from the sheet music, you know the distance, you know what to sing. If you're learning melodies, you can hear this melody and then sing it back. If you want to play something on the guitar, great guitar skill is that you have some melody in your head and then you're able to play it. When you have the intervals deeply under your skin, it's there. Trust me, it's very useful. Therefore, the next step would be to sing the intervals back, and you can do it with the app again, or my favorite way to do it is take the instrument again and play a note. I play the C and think about the interval. I want to play a major third. So how does the major third? What's my song? Try to play the song. Try to imagine it. And because I already try to imagine it, and now na na, and that's it. You choose one interval for a week, for a few days, and then do this. Do it for 30 seconds, 1 minute. Be nice with yourself, start slowly, and eventually you get it. After a few weeks, you're gonna start seeing a great progress. It's gonna affect your musicality, whatever instrument you play, whatever you do in the music, positively. The learning intervals took me many months, and I'm still working actually right now on descending ones. But it was the best decision I made in terms of musical. I hope to see you at the next video.